Okay, so in Unit 3, you needed to be able to solve for an exponent. In order to do that, the inverse operation for the exponent is the logarithm. So, two ways to go about this. I've shown you both ways. I'll show you both ways again. Whichever way you're more comfortable is perfectly fine. So, one of them is to log both sides. So I have log 8 to the x equals log 90. One of the things we learned in, I think it was 3.7 maybe, is that when I have log of a number to a power, that power can get moved out front. So I'd have x log 8 equals log 90. I can divide both sides by log 8 to get x equals, and then it's just the calculator. Log 90, close that parentheses, that part is very important. Okay, so log 90 divided by log 8, and that gives me 2.16, and I'm just going to round that off, so approximately 2.16. That's one way to go about it. The other way is to use the relationship between logs and exponentials, which is if I have log b of a equals x, then b to the power of x equals a. So I can rewrite this exponential in log form. So I have log base 8 of 90 equals x. So that would be the 8 to the x equals 90. So now that I have it in this form, I can't put it in the calculator with a base of 8, so I use the change of base that I know, which is log 90 over log 8, and I'm going to get the same thing that I got here, approximately 2.16. So as you can see, we end up with the same thing either way. It just depends on what you remember. You should, I would say, have this in your notes as well as this change of base. Any questions on that one? Okay, and then using the change of base rule, so I'm on that last sheet that only had the one skill or one box on it. This one is already in this little form, so I'm going to write this using, I'm going to do the change of base here. Log 30 over log 3 equals x, and then it's just a calculator. So this one, there's not much to it. So 3.095, if I round that, I'm going to get 3.1. So x is approximately 3.10. That 0 doesn't really need to be there, but I'm putting it there anyway. So that is solving using logs and the change of base rule. So make sure you know both of those parts. Questions on that one?